Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Dynamics 365 Finance. So let's get started. Dynamics 365 Finance is a cloud-based financial management system that helps businesses manage accounting, budgeting, reporting, and overall financial operations in one centralized platform. To begin, log into your Dynamics 365 Finance account. Once you're inside, you will land on the main dashboard where you can view key financial insights such as cash flow, account balances, expenses, and performance reports. You can also customize the dashboard to match your daily finance tasks. The first important step is setting up your financial structure. Go to the General Ledger section and configure your chart of accounts. This includes organizing accounts for assets, liabilities, revenue, expenses, and equity, so your financial data stays accurate and structured. Next, you can start recording transactions. In the Accounts Receivable area, you can create customer invoices, track payments, and manage outstanding balances. In Accounts Payable, you can record vendor invoices, approve payments, and track due dates. You can also manage budgeting inside the system by creating financial budgets and comparing them with actual performance. This helps you control spending and improve financial planning. Another key feature is reporting and analytics. Dynamics 365 Finance allows you to generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow reports, and other financial summaries to understand business performance in real time. Finally, make sure to regularly review your data, reconcile accounts, and use automation tools to reduce manual work and improve accuracy. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your company's finances using Dynamics 365 Finance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.